Welcome to my channel Positivity with Geeta. And let me tell you what happened last week. I wanted to find a very important document and I didn't find it. I spent 3 full days searching for it. Does it happen to you? Have you ever feel that you have forgotten and you're searching for it? It happens to all of us. It happens to children. It happens to teenagers. It happens to people in the 20s and 30s. It happens to 40s, 50s. It's very alarming. And when it comes, when you are in the 60s and above, then you have to do something about it. The others forget for various reasons. Children say, oh, I don't know where I left my homework book. Oh, I don't know what time is my concert, and so on. You forget because you are overworked. ऐसे हो जाता है ना, when you have too many things on hand, it's difficult. But when you are young, multitasking becomes very common. मतलब बहुत सारे काम कर सकते हैं. आपसे गैस में ये रखा है, वॉशिंग मशीन रखा है, उसी टाइम पे you can do lot of work. All of us, we do that. That day I felt, why did this happen? I kept it so safe. Many times we say, whatever we keep it very safe, it really remains safe there. Is it not? और ऐसे हुआ और आज तक I didn't get it. People told me, ये श्लोका बोलो, वो श्लोका बोलो, मिल जाएगा. लेकिन नहीं मिला. और ये समस्या, कई लोग इस समस्या का सामना कर रहे हैं. Especially middle-aged people, above 50, above 60, and so on. I'm not talking about Alzheimer's or dementia, but this is the starting thing. When you start forgetting, it need not lead to that. You can arrest it, stop it. Now, how do we do that? कैसे इसको stop कर सकते हैं? तो सोचते हैं आपने मैं क्यों भूल गई? कई बार ऐसा होता है, you open the fridge and you say, अरे, why did I open the fridge? What is it that I want from the fridge? Or you enter a room saying, why did I come to this room? Or sometimes you want to lock the house and you say, did I switch off the gas? Is there anything boiling on the gas? Or did I lock my bedroom? So you are doubting things. And this is a very common feature which even a 20 plus adult feels. There is nothing wrong. You don't have to be alarmed or get panic. ऐसा होता है, हो जाता है सबके लाइफ में. But if it happens, अगर ये बार बार होता है आपके लाइफ में, then you have to do something about it. And usually what we do, कि जब when somebody tells you, the alarming point is when a senior citizen talks about something, you say, अरे बस करो. आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स बोलते होंगे, बस करो, कितने बार बोलोगी यही बात, बार बार बोल रही हो. So when they say that, you should not feel bad. I'm addressing it to these senior citizens that don't feel bad. Okay, fine, because you don't remember that you have repeated it 10 times. So if it is your family member, let them not keep quiet and say कि बोलने दो, after all she is my aunt, she is my mother, she is my sister. No. You say, देखो तुमने ये बात पहले बताई थी. So then you think, why am I repeating? What is happening to me? You have to understand there's lot of hormonal changes as you are growing, growing old. And also the brain, the minute कोई चीज़ खो जाता है, तो आप, the brain thinks, when you're searching, the brain thinks it's lost. So this getting lost and you panic. हम लोग आराम से, अरे बैठो आराम से और ढूंढो. We don't do that. We just panic. Now that you should not do, because you have to keep quiet, be in a calm place, or then think, कहाँ मैंने ये चाबी रखा. Many times we forget where we keep the key. That's why as you grow old, one thing you have to remember, don't change the place of things which are very important, because your brain has already registered it. So what you will do, you say, ठीक है, the house key will be here, the car key will be here, and don't keep on changing. Nowadays, olden time एक ही पर्स होता था, आप लोग पर्स लेके जाते थे. आजकल तो आयु है, वेडिंग के लिए अलग पर्स है, मैरिज के लिए, मतलब ऑर्डिनरी काम के लिए, वेजिटेबल लेने के लिए दूसरा पर्स है. So you have different kind of purses, and so you keep on changing your keys. Now when you want the key, you don't know which purse you have kept. Your passbook, your passport, your tickets, with the important documents that you have to write it in a diary. There's nothing wrong. Or day to day also, you see people, your grandmother, your aunt, or whoever, when they tend to forget, then you have to tell them, write a diary, things to do. वो भी भूल जाते हैं. Forget losing and searching. They don't know what they are going to do today. Many people even forget कि रेसिपी, आज मुझे कुछ बनाना है, आलू गोभी बनाना है, वो भूल जाते हैं कि भाई इसमें मुझे क्या डालना है. ऐसा भी कंडीशन होता है. डोंट कम टू दैट लेवल. उसके पहले ही यू कैन अरेस्ट इट. देर आर मेनी कॉजेज फॉर इट, साइकोलॉजिकल, बॉडी, फिजिकल कॉज एंड हार्मोनियल चेंजेस. अगर हाइपोथायरॉयड है तो ब्रेन सेल स्लो डाउन होता है. देन न्यूट्रिशन, आप क्या खाते हैं. जैसे आपके घर में सीनियर्स है, लेट देम ईट वॉलनट्स, ब्लूबेरीज, fatty fish. If they are vegetarian, then find some other protein, something that will activate their brain, because you have to help them rather than telling them कि तुमने ये बार बार बोला है, मैंने कई बार सुना है, मैं नहीं सुनना चाहती हूँ. Instead of telling that, it is better to handle that situation. You said ठीक है, तुम लेके आओ B12, take this vitamin, ask the doctor. This my aunt of mine is forgetting. So many times I have seen some of my relatives call and say, what day is it today? Is it morning or is it night? Then you don't say that, come on, you don't even know, and you go and gossip and talk to people. You can address that issue and find out why. You tell her, no, it is morning. And then you find, if you have time, then go to that person's house if you want to. Or you can tell the neighbors, please see that this person has forgotten the sense of time and place. And then you can't leave them alone. So we have to help you. If you are in a position to arrest it in the beginning, then you can help yourself. But if you are not doing it, then later on others have to help you. So don't come to that situation where others will help. See, we forget things, we lose things, we search for it. Yes, it is a normal thing. And another reason, most of the time I find, forget the seniors, the youngsters, they go through this because of stress, tension, lack of sleep, and the kind of work that they do. It's like nocturne. They become nocturnal. रात भर काम करते हैं कंप्यूटर में, सुबह को, मतलब it is completely against nature. Now that affects your bodily function. And I tell you, old people हैं 60-70 होता है, you can say ये जैसे they have become old, so you will excuse it. But nowadays I find youngsters also facing this issue. So you have to be arrest it so that you can try. When you realize somebody is telling you that no, you are repeating, and when you realize that you are going on forgetting, then you treat yourself when you are young. Otherwise your children or your neighbors or your friends and relatives have to do it. And वो भी अगर नहीं करेंगे, then you come to very extreme case of Alzheimer's, जहाँ reverse नहीं होता है. But इस stage में reverse हो सकता है. You find out, you write down. हमको पहले नहीं, सब बोलते अरे तुमने क्यों लिखा है. हाँ, मैंने लिखा है कि मुझे आज ये बनाना है. And that lady wrote, I need onion for this, I need garlic for this. We don't have to feel bad. At least she's taking care of it, she's arresting it, उसको control कर रही हो before it becomes severe. So you have what kind of diet you're eating, what exercises you're doing, how you're keeping your mind healthy, mind and body healthy, what exercises you are doing. All these things play a very important role in helping you not to lead to that extreme level where you forget everything. So friends, if you have forgotten where you have kept things, search for it. If you still don't get it, be calm, change your lifestyle, and next time be very careful. If you have kept, take a diary. Sometimes you forget, मैंने डायरी में सब लिखा है लेकिन वो डायरी भी नहीं मिल रहा है, वैसा भी होता है. तो एटलीस्ट एक अपने फ्रिज के ऊपर मैग्नेट डाल के रखो, क्या क्या मैंने कहाँ रखा है. चोर के लिए आसान होगा, लेकिन पहले आपके लिए तो इट विल हेल्प यू. सो फ्रेंड्स, don't panic if you forget. You keep searching, no problem. You will get it. If you don't get it also, you work on yourself. Take proper care of yourself. And if you find somebody in your family suffering or somebody who is going through this, giving them a helping hand. Try to take them to a doctor and cure them rather than making fun of them. And I'm telling you, you can, or most of the problems can be solved before it becomes really severe. Thank you, friends, for listening to me. And you let me know how do you come through this stage where you are forgetting and searching. Don't be alarmed. You can solve this problem. See you next time. Bye till then and take care.